Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. As you know that we will started our the Python course. So in the previous video that we will see about the installation of the Python, and also we will see the some basic scripts and also some basics of the Python. Okay. So in this video we will doing the some task. Okay. So here we will make our the first of all we will doing only the hands on. Okay. So first of all we will make our the script. As you know that there is nothing in my folder. So we will make our the script by the vim command. Vim. This is the task dot py. Okay. So we make the script and here I will declare the variable. Okay, you will also know what is the variable. So a variable is basically like we will store anything in this variable. Okay, so we will store the value of the early input. Okay, so basically what is the input function doing? So what is the function of the input? So input is basically like if I write anything like if I store the uh, if I store the anything in the early variable. So input means that when we run our script, so it will say that you will enter the early value. Okay, so we print the message enter the early value. Okay, so here you will print any message. So you will write the two brackets after the input, and in the brackets when you print the any message, so you will use the double quotations. Okay, so here we will close the brackets, and after that we see what is the output. Okay, so press the escape, and after that press the shift colon and write the wq, so it will exit from the file. Okay, so after that how can we run our the python script? So by this command python 3 and enter the file name task.py. Sorry, so you will see that I will only write the uh, 2 to 3 words pyt, and after that I will enter the tab, so it will automatically uh, write the full Python 3. Okay, and after that I will only write T and I will press the tab, so it will automatically write the full name of the file name. Okay, and after that we'll press enter, so you'll see this is the function of the input. So here we will write the 5, so it will give the nothing because we will not print the early value, so that's why it will not give the any output. Okay, and after that we will go in the task dot in the file. Okay, so after that we will also declare another variable Kazim, and here we will again enter the input, and here we will write enter the Kazim value. Okay, so here we will add some column. Okay, due to some make this some beautiful our script, so that's why I will add here the some column. It is not mandatory to add this column. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, so when started we will see. Okay, so we will see that here we will add declare the two variables. Okay, and after that we will also give the input function. Okay, so after that we will store the sum value of the ali, like we will store the value of the print the value of the ali. Okay, so we will print the some message ali value is if we call the ali variable, so we will write here comma, and after that we will write the name of the variable ali. Okay, and after that we will print also the Kazim value. So here, so this is the message. Okay, so this is not the mandatory to add in any print statement or here also. Okay, so this is like you print any message. So I will also write the message like Ali value is Ali. Okay, so this is the variable in which we store the value. Okay, here we will call this variable Ali variable. Okay, so here we in the Kazim we will write Kazim value is colon and comma Kazim. Okay, so if you don't use this comma, so it will give the error. Okay, so we'll see it will give the error or not without the comma. Okay, so we learn our the script task.py. Okay, so you'll see that it will give the error syntax error invalid syntax. Okay, so we'll go again in our file. Sorry, task, and after that we will add here the comma. Okay, so we'll see what is the output. Okay, so you better understand when we run the script. Okay, what we will doing. Okay, so you better understanding after that. Okay, you'll see that it will say that enter the Ali value. So the Ali value is I will write the 5 here. Okay, so again it will said enter the Kali value. So this is the function of the input. Okay, so again I will enter the 6 value. Okay, so you see it will print the that Ali value is. So you will see that here I will also uh, print the our script. Okay, so by the cat command you will print all the things which are inside in the file. Okay, okay, so you will see that we will write Ali is equal to input, enter the Ali value. So you see that how the input function will work. Okay, so we will give here the 5 value. Okay, and after that we will again declare the variable, and we will write the input function and say and write enter the Kazim value. Okay, so we will write the Kazim value 6 here. Okay, so after that we will print the Ali and Kazim value. So here you will see that we will first of all we print the message Ali value is. So you will see that Ali value is, and after that it will print the Ali value which we will given in the input function. Okay, so you will see that it will print this. So by the comma we will call our the variable, and by the plus sign you will also call the variable. So we see that by the plus sign we will also call this variable or not. Okay, so we will write here the plus sign. Okay, so we will see it will work or not. Okay, I will clear my screen, and after that I will run the script. So 5 and 6. Okay, so you see it will give the output as it is. So nothing is happening. So there is no difference between the comma and the plus sign. Okay, so you will use um, any anything like if you use comma, so that is also good, and if you use the plus sign, so that is also better. Okay, so the task is, so this is our the simple task we will make. Okay, so I wanna output. So here is the task. So like if I store the uh, 5 value of Ali here, and after that we will store the Kali value 6. Okay, but I wanna output like it will give the output Ali value is 6 and the Kali value is 5. So how we can make this script? So this is our task. Okay, so how we will do that? Okay, like if I return here the 5 value, Ali value is 5, and here I will write the Kali value 6. But the output, I wanna output like the Ali value is 6 and the Kali value is 5. So how can we do that? So we'll check how can we will do this. Okay, okay. So as it is, you will not doing anything in this, and here we add this something. Okay, so here we will declare the another variable which name is like temp. You will declare a variable by your choice name. So I will declare the variable which name is temp. Okay, so temp is equal to, first of all we will store the in the temp variable we will store the ali here. Okay, so you will see that if I will write okay, I will open my epic pen. Wait. Okay, so I will give you better understanding. Okay, okay. So here you will see that if I will put the value of Ali like a 5. Sorry, my rating is very bad. Wait. Okay, so here I will write the value of 5 of Ali. Okay, okay. And so the temp, in the temp variable, the 5 value is stored here. Okay, the 5 value is stored here in the temp value, in the temp variable. Sorry. Okay, okay. And after that, we will after that we will again write the Ali variable, and in the Ali variable we will store the value of Kazim. Okay, so you'll see that first of all we will store the 5 value in the temp variable. Okay, and after that the 5 the Ali uh, I will also declare the Ali variable, and in the any variable the Kazim value is stored. So the Kazim value is 6. Okay, the Kazim value is 6. Okay, and after that we will here the use the Kazim variable, and in the Kazim variable we will add this variable temp variable. Okay, so I will give you explanation again. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, so first of all, we will declare the temp variable. Okay, so this is our the temp variable. Okay, this is our the sorry. So this is our the temp variable. Okay, we will declare. So in the temp variable, we will store the any value. So the any value is 5. Okay, so the any value is 5. Okay, so we will declare the any variable. So in the any variable, we will store the Qadi value. So the Qadi value is 6. Okay. Alright. So after that, we will again declare the Qadi variable. So in the Qadi variable, we will declare the temp. So in the temp variable, the any value is stored. So the Qadi value is equal to 5. Okay. So this is happening. Okay. So we see what is the output. So we will see that what is the our out. Okay. So here we will run our the script. So we will enter the 5 value of Ali, sx value of Kazim. So you see that Ali value is 6 and Kazim value is 5. So this is the called the swapping. Okay. So this is our the task which we will do in this video. In the next video, that we will see the more things like escape sequences, and also we will see the conditions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.